Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how you can delete your Instagram account permanently by following these simplest steps shown in my tutorial. So let's get started. First of all, go to your Instagram account. Yes, after going on the Instagram account, you have to tap on the settings option. After tapping on the settings option, here you will be seeing many other options, but you have to tap on the help option. Yes, after tapping on the help option, you have to tap on the help center. After tapping on the help center, then you have to click on the Chrome. On the Chrome, you will be seeing a window, and on that window, you have to tap on managing your account option. Yes, after tapping on the managing your account option, then click on the delete your account option. Yes, I am also highlighting this. Just tap on delete your account option. Now you will be seeing many options. From here we have to click on how do I delete my Instagram account. Yes, you have to tap on how do I delete my Instagram account. Just scroll down a little and you will have to click here on delete your account. Yes, you have to click on delete your account. Again, with open with the Chrome. After that, you have to again log into your account by using your username and password. Here I am doing it. You have to enter your username and then you have to enter your password. Now another window will appear, and on this window you have to click on not now and then tap on the encircled portion. Yes, click on any of the reason you want to pick for deleting your Instagram account, like I am here choosing something else. Yes, now after this you have to re-enter your password and then this pop-up will appear, and after this pop-up appears you have to click on OK. This will delete your account permanently. Just do not log into your account for a month and your account will be permanently deleted. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching.